Hello there, crypto explorers. It's Josh here from ATM Stateport, and welcome back to AdaPulse YouTube channel, your go-to spot for all things Cardano and beyond. Now, today we're tackling a question that might have crossed your mind. What the hell is Blockchain Explorer? So it's basically a tool that lets you peek into the blockchain like it's a live action movie. Intrigued? Let's explore. So what is Blockchain Explorer? So what is a Blockchain Explorer? I mean, in simple terms, it's like Google for the blockchain. You don't have to search for cat videos or pizza recipes online or whatever. A Blockchain Explorer lets you search for transactions, wallet addresses, or blocks even. Basically anything happening on the blockchain. It's your personal spyglass into the digital world, let's say. And we take Cardanoscan, for example. It's built just for the Cardano blockchain. If you've sent some ADA lately and want to confirm it's arrived, pop it into the Blockchain Explorer and you'll see it all laid out. It's less tech geek and more crypto detective. And trust me, it's probably a lot easier than I'm making it sound. How do blockchain explorers work? So here's the magic. Blockchain explorers grab all the crazy complex data from the blockchain and turn it into something, you don't need a PhD to read. They're like librarians for the blockchain, constantly updating their shelves with the latest transactions and blocks in real time. So when you search, you're tapping into a live snapshot of the network. So new blocks being added, transactions zipping through, and wallets shifting balances. It's like watching the blockchain's heartbeat, if you like. And once you stop, it is kind of hard to look away. Why are blockchain explorers important? Why should you care about this? Well, it's transparency, my friends. Blockchain explorers let anyone, even your nosy ass neighbor, check transactions, track assets, and just keep tabs on the network. In crypto, where trust can be a little bit shaky, this openness is pure gold. So, you ever sent crypto and wondered if it got lost in that sort of digital void? A blockchain explorer's got your back, with proof of every move. It's like a cosmic cashier handing you, a receipt for every transaction. Security and peace of mind all rolled into one. Key features of a blockchain explorer. So what can you do with the blockchain explorer? So here's the rundown. Transaction lookups. Punch in a transaction ID to see who sent what, when, and where it went. You got wallet checks. Enter an address to peek into its balance and history. It's all public, so no sneaking is required. You got block browsing, so dig into specific blocks. When were they made? What's inside? You name it, whatever's there. But then you've got network vibes. Some explorers even show you live stats like fees or how busy a blockchain is. For Cardano fans, Cardanoscan is the star, I guess. It's tailored to our blockchain and it's super easy to navigate. How to use a blockchain explorer. We're going to use Cardanoscan. So let's break it down with a mini how-to using Cardanoscan as our guinea pig, if you like. So firstly, head to cardanoscan.io. So there's no login, no fees, just pure blockchain goodness. Now hit that search bar and toss in a wallet address or transaction ID or block number, whatever you like. Check the details. A wallet search shows its stash and past moves. A transaction ID spills the beans on, how much was sent and what time, and follow that rabbit hole. Click around, see, connected transactions or blocks. It's kind of like a little mini treasure hunt. And you don't need major tech skills either. Just your curiosity and a keyboard. So give it a whirl. Benefits of using a blockchain explorer. Now, why bother? Well, here's why it's worth your time. You've got real-time intel. So watch your transactions unfold as they happen. So no guesswork. Trust buster. Someone claims they've paid you, verified it yourself, and skip the it's in the mail bullshit. Crypto crash course. Playing around teaches you how sort of blockchains tick, and knowledge is power in these circumstances. Safety first. Spot anything weird with your wallet early and stay one step ahead. It's like having X-ray vision for the blockchain, minus the cape, but it's still cool. Conclusion. And that's pretty much the scoop on blockchain explorers. They might sound a bit nerdy, but honestly, they're a must-have for anyone dipping their toes into crypto. Start poking around with Cardanoscan. You be pretty amazed what you can uncover. You know, the blockchain's an open book. You know, why not flip through the pages? You know what I mean? You know, but if you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto made simple stuff. You know, if you've got a topic you want us to cover, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm all ears. But one last thing, ADA Pulse thrives and thanks the Cardano's support through Project Catalyst. So you want to join the fun? Delegate your ADA to ATM stake pool. It's a small move, but you know, it keeps us going and it gives you rewards at the same time. But anyway, so I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious, keep exploring.